Welcome back, viewers. I'm going to let you know the elegance, performance and innovation of the all-new Mercedes-Benz C-Class C200, a luxury sedan that blends class with cutting-edge technology. Let's find out if the C200 is the perfect balance between style and performance. The new C-Class takes direct inspiration from the S-Class, with a sleeker front grille, sharper LED headlamps and those signature DRLs that scream luxury. The flowing lines along the side profile and 18-inch alloys give it a sporty yet executive feel. Step inside and it's a mini S-Class. The cabin is a tech haven, dominated by a vertically mounted 11.9-inch touchscreen with the latest MBUX system, a digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting and plush leather seats. The fit and finish absolutely premium. The C200 comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 204 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It does over 100 km/h in about 7.3 seconds, smooth, efficient and confident. Loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, dual-zone climate control and a panoramic sunroof, it's hard not to fall in love with this machine. On the road, the C200 offers a silky smooth ride. The suspension soaks up bumps while the steering is light and precise, perfect for both city drives and highway cruising. If you're looking for refinement and comfort, this is it. With a starting price of around $48,450, the Mercedes C200 is a luxury compact sedan that punches above its weight. It's elegant, tech-forward and refined, a true Mercedes-Benz experience. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more premium car reviews. Let us know in the comments, is the C-Class still the king of its segment? Until next time, drive safe and stay classy.